Join me as I dive into the future of ASST Stock and try to predict what's next for this exciting investment. ASST Stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. With its unique approach to asset management, it's caught the attention of investors and analysts alike. But what does the future hold for this stock? The current market trends are presenting some challenges for ASST Stock. Economic factors such as inflation and interest rates are causing uncertainty among investors. This has led to a bit of a roller coaster ride for the stock's value. Adding to the mix is the competitive landscape, where ASST Stock is facing off against some big players in the industry. These economic factors are having a ripple effect on investor sentiment, with some people getting a little nervous about the stock's prospects. But it's not all doom and gloom. ASST Stock has shown some resilience in the face of adversity. Its recent performance has been pretty impressive, with some notable growth in key areas. Still, it's hard to ignore the impact of global events on the market. The company has been making some interesting moves recently. They've been investing heavily in new technologies and expanding their team. This could be a game changer for ASST Stock, giving it a leg up on the competition. What investors are really interested in, though, is how these developments will translate into actual growth. Analysts are divided on what the future holds for ASST Stock. Some think it's poised for a major breakthrough, while others are more skeptical. The sentiment among investors is pretty mixed, with some people buying in and others cashing out. This kind of volatility can be unsettling, but it also presents opportunities for savvy investors. In my opinion, the biggest insight to take away from all this is that ASST Stock is at a crossroads. It could go either way. We could see a significant uptick in value, or things could stay steady. My prediction is that ASST Stock will surprise people and show some impressive growth. This won't be without its challenges, but I think the company has the right strategy in place. The fundamentals are there, and the recent developments have me optimistic. Of course, there's always some degree of risk involved with any investment, but I think ASST Stock is worth keeping an eye on. What's key is to stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. To recap, ASST Stock is navigating a complex market landscape, with both challenges and opportunities on the horizon. From recent developments to future predictions, there's a lot to consider when thinking about this stock's potential trajectory. So, what do you think about ASST Stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want more insights like these, be sure to check out my previous video on ASST Stock. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.